Today, no wait, my name is WC.Trading cards. Today, I'm gonna be opening packs of magic packs. Look at that. It is 16 packs. They're white. They are special. They're special. Alright. I actually made these packs. I made these packs and then I just took random cards and put them in. So we're gonna see whatever random cards we get. So for my binder, so we're gonna open the first pack. I don't know how to open these like homemade packs. So I picked out random cards from the pack from my binder. Yeah. It's hard to open packs. Maybe just do that. Like starter pack. Like just take off the tape or something. You just rip the paper. Alright, first pack. Obviously there are no odds on my homemade packs because yeah. Alright, so we got there's gonna be a lot of paper. Got Lacazette in this pack. Okay. Davinson Sanchez, Hesse, Phil Jones. We got Harry Kane 90 rated star player. That's pretty good. And then we got Ryan Bertrand 89 man of the match in the first pack. That is actually not too bad. Obviously Harry Kane is also really good. Then the second pack. Here we go. I am really bad at opening packs. Okay. Alright, I think we've got it now. Nope, we got it. Okay. Oh, it says the match attack 17-18 Premier League at the start and that. I don't know why. It's just cool, isn't it? Alright, we got Virgil van Dijk. That's not too bad. 87. Kevin De Bruyne 86. That's also not too bad. Timothy Fosu-Mensah for Crystal Palace. Jan Vertonghen. Now this is a really good pack. 87, 86, and 88 right now. Wilfred Boney. And Jermaine Defoe 91. So 2 man of the matches in 2 packs. Not too bad. Right. Now we move on to the third pack. I'm gonna put the packs here. So nothing really special on the design. Okay, so you can see the blue at the bottom. Just really bad at opening packs. Come on. Okay, come on. Right, we got it now. Alright, we got Ramadan Sabi, Jacob Butlin, Bernardo Silva, Nathaniel Klein, Charlie Taylor, and Leroy Frost. Star player at the end of that pack. That was not such a good pack. And now we move on to the fourth pack. Sticky. So we got something good, I guess. We got Everton midfielder. There you can see. Yeah, Everton midfielder. Everton midfielder at the end of that pack. So we start off with Gary Cahill 86. It's not too bad. Florian Lejeune, I say. Zlatan, yes! Boy, that's a really good card. Only 59 pace though. He's really tall. So it's probably good. Raheem Sterling. That's looking a really good pack. How many 5 stars do you have? Like, I got 3 out of 4 right now. Got Wayne Rooney star player. 77. So Oh, one more. Goofy Sigurdsson, Assist King. Wow. 89. That is such a good card. So we got 2 Everton inserts in that pack. Not too bad. Got 2 star players in 2 packs. With how many packs to go? 13, I guess. 13 to 12. Just rip it open. What? I tried to rip it down and then I just rip it to the side. Alright, so we just got that one. Now we got a Chelsea forward this time in Alvaro Morata. John Walters, Casey Palmer, Mason Holgate, Sandro Ramirez, 2 Evertons, and the Huddersfield Town badge. And then you can pause the video to read the stats at the back. Pause the video if you hear me. Alright, so we still got lots of packs to go. The TV's on in the background, by the way. You can hear it, sorry. Okay, so we got Dan Gosling, Rob Holding. Ah! I'm gonna sit somewhere else. Okay, Rob Holding, Idris Agana, Charlie Austin, Marco Arnautovic, and Silver Limited Edition, Paul Pogba. I remember these are random cards picked out of my binder. So we got the Silver Limited Edition Paul Pogba in these packs. So that's really good. That is a really good. We're gonna leave that out. Obviously, I don't react to those. I don't react to those types, even though I already got it. Just randomly pop out. Okay, we're gonna try to get the tape off. Get the tape off. Wow, straight. God, Tottenham midfielder. I think I know who it is. Okay, got Martin Olsen. Let's do this now. Ryan Bertrand. Base card boost. This is good. So looking like add Ryan Bertrand at 89. He's out the match basically. Base card boost. Oh, big shot. Victor Lindelof. Fernandinho. And Victor Wanyama 93 with 99 wow power. And then 86 stats going 81 pace. So like the whole left side of his stats are pretty good. Gotta leave that out too. Next pack. I must look good. Open this one. Why do I always do that? You open the packs in a new way now. And then we got Rangel, Joel Matip, Dele Alli. Can you even see the card? Dele Alli, Cedric, Matt Ritchie, and James Milner set piece specialist. That's not too bad actually. I need to sit somewhere else. It's just so weird. Okay, so we got another pack. Let's open this up. It's gonna take forever. Ah, my days. Alright, I think we got it now. Oh, finally. Thank goodness I didn't rip the card. I don't know if it's open. Alright. Got Herrera, Sergio Oriol, Anthony Martial, Matty James, Romelu Lukaku, 94 powerhouse. That's good. That's sick, brother. And then we have Kyle Walker, 100 Club at the end of that pack. Oh, yes, we got 100 Club. We got 100 Club. We've got 100 Club, boys. Alright, that's gonna leave out there. Alright. That's a really good pack. 94 Lukaku, we're gonna leave it out as well. A lot of cards. A lot of packs. Eat it. Okay, we got Kurt Zuma. Got Zuma. Slimani. Steve Mooney. Money. Gylfi Sigurdsson, Passmaster. Michael Keane, Tough Tackler. So 2 Everton icons. See there. And then Elias Kachunga, 81 man of the match to round off that pack. Oh, wow. His normal card will have 16 on his defense. No. 21 defense. Oh, wow. It's a really bad defense. We got 5 packs left to go. 6. Maybe I'll open these 6 in another video, but hope you enjoyed that video. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload from WC Trading cards. Peace!